everyone, I am Charlotte Marie and welcome to Charlotte's Web channel. And I would like to show you today how to measure yourself for online shopping or that one-of-a-kind sewing project that you might have. You know, with online shopping and sewing projects, they're going to ask you questions like they need certain measurements like your hip, your waist, your bust, your girth. Well, today I am going to show you where those measurements are and how to do it. So let's get started by, first of all, you're going to need a tape measure, kind of like the one that I had in my hand here. Let's start from the top. Work our way down to the bottom. We'll start with our shoulder. So when taking the shoulder measurement, you want to start with the base of the neck. From the base of the neck to the top of the shoulder, or the bony part of the shoulder. And with what mine is measuring is around 4.5. Most people probably will. It depends on the person. So you're getting a good measurement from the base of your neck to the bony part of your arm. Then we'll do an arm measurement. The arm measurement, we're going to start at the bony part of the arm all the way down to the base of the arm, or the beginning of the hand, which mine is measuring around 21 and a half inches. So one of the things I'd like to point out, when you're measuring yourself, always want to give me your full length measurement, and I would like to have where you want your garment to fit. It's always important to measure yourself where you want your garment to fit. If you want your garment to be short sleeve, well, I would say you would want to go down to maybe 8 inches. If you want it quarter length sleeve, you might want to go here. And then if you want a full length, always go to the beginning of your arm. Your hand, or the base of your arm. Then let's do a bust measurement. Now the bust measurement, you always want to keep in mind to go to the fullest part of the bust. Start from the center all the way back around to the center, and that will give you your fullest bust measurement. Then you want to do a chest measurement. For the women, the chest measurement is up underneath the bust. So you want to start again from the center all the way around back, and that will give you your chest measurement. Then let's do a waist measurement. Now the waist measurement can be kind of controversial. It depends on where you want that garment to fit. I always like to start where the belly button is. That's right in the center. Find that belly button and just put the beginning of the tape on the belly button all the way around back to the belly button. And that will give you your high waist measurement for some people. Now if you want a low waist measurement, then you just go the same way all the way around, but you're going below the belly button. So it depends on, again, where you want that garment to fit, where you want to start your waist measurement. And then you want to do a hip measurement. Now with the hip measurement, you want to go all the way around. Now you can do it from one side because it's easier actually for you to see it. From here it's a little easier, but I want that measuring tape to be able to go up and down as I'm able to get my pants up and down or over the hip or skirt or what have you. Want it to be enough so that you're able to get that looseness or that slack in the hip. So you'll be able to get the pants up and down. And then you want to do a full length measurement. The full length measurement can be for your pants, which is something that I'm going to need anyway. So with the full length measurement, I want to start where my belly button is. That's my waist, all the way down to the floor. And I literally will step on that tape if I'm by myself doing a measurement. And then I'll just bend down and pick it up wherever it is on that floor. So that'll give me my full length measurement. Now, with the full length measurement, I will need that measurement for pants, but you might want to do shorts, you might want to do knickerbockers, you might want to do ankle pants, where wherever you want that garment to fit, once again, is very important to me. So I need you to take that measurement also of where you want the garment to fit. And then I'm going to need you to do a inseam measurement. Now the inseam measurement, again, I'm going to step on that tape and I'm going to take the tape measure to the crotch area or the inner part of my upper thigh all the way. And then I'm going to, like I said, step on that tape measure, bend down, get that tape measure, and that's what your measurement will be. And you want to also do it wherever you want that garment to fit. If it's going to be a pair of shorts, take it to the shorts from the upper thigh to where you want it to be. Then you're going to do a girth measurement. What the heck is a girth measurement anyway? Well, let me show you what it is. The girth measurement typically is for pants. So when taking that measurement, I want to step over the tape measure, bring that tape measure all the way between the leg and up to the belly button. And as you can see from the back, also to where the belly button would stop, all the way through. And then that's what's going to give me my girth measurement. Okay? And then, well, I think we're pretty much done with the measurements, except one other thing I can think of that we did not do, which would be good for blouses or what have you, is a blouse measurement or a shirt measurement. When you're doing a shirt measurement, you want to start from the shoulders, the top of the shoulder, all the way down for the women, or kind of right there at the bust, and bring it down to wherever you want that garment to fit. If I want my belly button to show, if I want it lower, if I want it below my hips, then that's where I want my garment. Wherever you want that garment to fit is where you want to take that measurement for your blouse or a shirt or what have you. So I'm really hoping that this tutorial kind of help you understand a little bit of where those measurements are and how to take them. So if you would just please subscribe to my channel and become a part of our sewing community. And with that, I'm going to say happy sewing or happy adventures.